Hey, what's up everybody? It is Uncle Mad here. Black Friday 2024. Thanksgiving is come and gone. We had a great day here at the house. Lots of leftovers, but for me, Black Friday is all about getting ready for the real season, Christmas season. The holidays are here. We're going to spend the day decorating the house and turning it into a winter wonderland. But before we do that, we got to fuel up. So we're going to take some of our Thanksgiving leftovers, have a quick little breakfast. I'm going to make Thanksgiving leftover fritters. I think I did this last year. Go back and check my vlogs from last year around this time. I believe I did this last year. I believe I got it from Maddie Matheson, the chef, who's also a consultant and character on The Bear. I'm going to do this real quick so I won't dwell too much on it because I think I've done it before. But we're just going to mix together some mashed potatoes, some dressing, and some turkey from the leftovers. Form them into little patties, kind of fry them up. Everything's already cooked, so you just kind of crisp them up, make them into a nice little crispy fritter. Eggs, gravy. It's going to be delicious. I'll show you a little bit as we go, and then we're going to knock it out. Nephew P is joining me this year to be my little assistant, helping me with the decorations, so should be able to get stuff done pretty quickly because we have help, have assistance from him. And I know it probably seems kind of hard, so we've got to fuel up first, so we're going to eat Thanksgiving things, which will probably fill us up and make us tired and lazy, especially the turkey, but we're going to do it anyway. I don't know what's happening. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. It's that time of year. Let's get to it. Oil down in the pan. Let's go in with the fritters. All right, perfect. Just about ready for everything to come out. I'm going to put some gravy down on the plate. All right. Ooh. That much. This is the finished product. Fritters, fried eggs, gravy bath. Don't want to jump the gun because we haven't sampled it yet, but I think this is going to be really good. Can't wait. Let's eat. Before we officially dig in and sample, I'm going to give a nice little egg break for the camera. See if I can get a good one here. How would we do? Oh, runny. Maybe a little overdone on that one. Try this one. How about there? How we go? Yes, there's the egg run. All right, enough playing around with our food. Let's try to sample this. All right, so you got a fried egg and a leftover fritter. It's Thanksgiving turkey stuffing and mashed potatoes fried up into a little patty, if you will. And I will. Let's get in here. I want some egg, want a little bit of everything in the bite, if I can get it. Oh gosh, it's all falling everywhere. Bon appetit. That's good. Winner, leftover Thanksgiving dinner for breakfast. Your thoughts?
Good.
Very good. That's what we wanted to hear. Little OJ to go with my breakfast. OJ, 100% just orange juice in a glass. Oh, that was gross. I hit into like a little bit of the turkey ligament. Ignore that. Cheers. Orange juice, refreshing. I freshly squeezed that orange juice too. Did you know that? I made this? Squeezed it myself. What do you mean? No, you didn't know I did it?
You did.
I did.
No, I don't.
I make everything fresh in this house. Where did it come from if I didn't freshly squeeze it?
This is leftovers.
The orange juice isn't. I took the leftover oranges that I made the turkey with and freshly squeezed them in orange juice. I should have done that. I didn't really do it, but I probably should have. Now that we're well fed, the next thing we have to do is decorate the house for Christmas. So before we can do that, gotta but put away all the fall decorations that linger and hang around post-Halloween. I think I've assembled everything. We don't have too much of this stuff, so this will all go back downstairs. I did leave these Halloween towels out. I forgot to put them away, but I also got this. My mom just gave me this Mickey Mouse USA bowl, so we'll have something cool for the 4th of July, but I gotta get this downstairs, get the Christmas stuff up there. going to put you in storage too. I don't think we need you for this season. You're going to be a fall item from now on. We'll get you back out in October of 2025, I think. Goalie is a dog for all seasons, though.
No.
This is where it always gets a little daunting and intimidating to start preparing to put up the decorations, because it's just what in the world? I've been shut in here. There's like a wad of stuff over in this corner. We've lived in this house almost 10 years now, which is crazy to say. I think this is probably the one thing I might not be the craziest about this house, is that we have very limited kind of storage to kind of put seasonal stuff away that we don't use. Like, we can put in the garage, but I try to avoid cluttering up the garage, and I don't do a very good job of that. The garage is terribly cluttered, but I need less than like my parents' house. They've got like a full attic, although their ceiling is collapsing because they've got too much crap in your stuff. Where'd you get a helmet?
I don't know.
There's just some random crap in here. All right. Start going through this, figuring out what needs to come out, and start going upstairs.
Sir, I need to get in this bag. Sir, I have work to do. This is not for you. There's work to be done. Sir, I need to get in here.
Fooling around, there's work to be done.
But I can't do anything. Look at it here.
There's a lot of decorating to do, and you're just having shenanigans over there.
It's not my fault. Larry has made a home. Look at he's circling around. Okay. Oh, no. He's found another nook to get into. Okay, this is enough.
Okay, so I think we have gotten everything out of storage and upstairs. Did run into a bit of a snag. Jesta was getting the tree set up, went to plug it in. None of the lights came on, so she thinks maybe there's a blown fuse or something like that. So she's going to Lowe's to get something. She said, me and nephew P weren't really paying attention.
I was watching YouTube.
He was watching YouTube. I was listening to a podcast, I think. So she's going to try to remedy that situation. While she's doing that, nephew P and I are going to head outside. We'll get the outdoor decorations all done first, just because, only so much daylight this time of year, so we've got to make sure we get all that done first, because the rest can be done at any given time. I just watched last year's YouTube video of us decorating to refresh and remind myself kind of where everything went, where I put everything. So I think I've got a general plan of what we're going to get into, and now it's just got to rip the Band-Aid off and attack it. And then I'm going to attack nephew P after that.
No.
I think we got all the outside stuff done. I'll get a shot of that when it gets dark and can see the glorious lit stuff. A little bit of a tree update here. Jesta went to Lowe's, got some replacement fuses, tried that, did not work. It's like the bottom third is mostly out, and like the upper middle third is out, but some of the lights are still working. Luckily, we've got like the twinkly lights that we always put on in addition to the lights that came pre-lit mounted to the tree. So we do have lights, we do have coverage. Jess is stringing that on right now, but she said after this Christmas season, probably just going to rip out the pre-strung lights that came on the tree, which I think this tree, I had to go back and, I don't know, I think we only had it for like maybe 4, 5 years. It seems like it's too still new to be having like that many lighting issues, but it is what it is. So she's got it restrung, looking nice and lit there. So exterior stuff's mostly done, so transitioning to interior Christmas decorating now.
Does this look like they're spaced enough, or
pretty good?
Too clumped up here? It's like
So,
I ran out of lights as I was running down. Like I did.
Nephew P is on ornament duty, and he pulled this one out and said this is his favorite ornament. And it made me a little bit sad because this is the first.
And?
Oh my God, I got 2 of them. Dadgummit.
He knows what ornaments you have more than you do.
This is a double bummer. It's got 2 Derrick Henry ornaments, and this is the first Christmas where Derrick Henry is no longer a Titan. R.I.P. King. He's not dead. He just plays for the Ravens now, so might as well be dead. I take that back. I regret saying that. Well, we have done it. I don't think we have anything particularly new this year. Everything's kind of same general layouts. If you've ever seen any of our other Christmas decorating blogs, kind of the same general layout. Maybe a few things I put in different places. I don't know off the top of my head, but the house is officially Winter Wonderland. Special shout out to Jesta and Nephew P. They killed it on the tree just to getting the lights arranged to make up for the dead ones that were the pre-strung, pre-lit ones. And I would say Nephew P put about like 95% of the ornaments on the tree. He did funnily stop like a quarter of the way in and go, okay, I think that's enough. And then I looked, I had like a box and a half of ornaments still left. I was like, what do you mean you're done? How are you gonna? No. And he had to keep going. He hadn't even put one of Jessica's favorites. Where did I put it? I don't even know where I put it. Where'd he go? Egbert. He didn't even manage to get Egbert on the tree when he was about to quit. So I had to come in and be the closer a little bit on the tree, get the last handful of ornaments on there. So everything's looking very Christmassy. Let's go outside and check out the outside stuff, see how it looks at night. Outside came out pretty good. I feel like we're missing some lights out here or something, like the colored, I don't know, maybe it looks better on camera weirdly than it does in person. It looks like brighter on camera. Good job, camera. You were doing a good job of making the porch look brighter than it appears to the naked eye. I may need to get some like lighted stuff over there. I don't know. Looks good though. Looks like Christmas. And it is very cold outside. I gotta go back inside. We're gonna do the wrap up inside. Okay, that's gonna do it for our Christmas kickoff vlog. Good day. Had some delicious Thanksgiving leftovers to start the day. Got everything done. I think this is like the first time in like a few years I managed to get everything done in one day decorating wise. I think that's a big tribute to Jesta and Nephew P and the work they put in to help with that process. I can definitely see now, getting to the age now where I totally understand why my parents had a son to do the work and the labor of moving boxes all over the house and unloading and loading stuff. So Nephew P's got work cut out for him going forward from this year on. Whew. We also ate some like Pizza Hut in the middle of the day. I didn't record that. Nephew P ate like a pound of like cinnamon sticks from Pizza Hut. That was disgusting, but Christmas is here. The holiday season has begun. Thanksgiving was great, but the real holidays have arrived. Everybody's favorite. Everybody in this house loves Christmas. Everybody just says, get Thanksgiving over with, get it out of here, bring on the Christmas. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving, Feliz Navidad. More to come this holiday season. I totally also forgot. Next week is Nashville Taco Week. So taco time. Gonna have some tacos next week. A lot of fun stuff coming up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel with the bell, turn on for notifications so you never miss any updates. Enjoy your life, enjoy your bagels. 26 days to go. At the time of filming, at least. It could be very different depending on when you're watching this. I always feel the need to highlight this. I have this Vandy Santa Claus, and it's especially pertinent today because at the time of filming, the teams meet in their annual rivalry game today. And the only thing on this little child's wish list for Santa is beat Tennessee. Anchor down.